Alright, last 5 minutes since my truck broke. Bill's your leader. Coming through traffic. Seconds, Todd. Right there. Yeah. Oh, it's so... No yelling at the volunteer marshals. No yelling at the volunteers. Bill's in first place.
Oh, Bill's not in first? Not in
Copper's Melvin. Right here?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I thought Bill was in first. Is Melvin not counting?
Yeah, Melvin not counting. I don't know.
I don't know if Melvin's in first or Bill's in first. The computer's saying Bill. But Melvin's not moving over for Bill. Oh.
See, Melvin is counting.
Yeah, Melvin's not counting, but I think he's in front of Bill. Yeah, Melvin.
Melvin, your transponder doesn't count all the way, but I know he's first. Oh, come on! I'm so sorry.
So that's first, followed by second.
Your transponder counts only 9 laps right now, and Bill has already 14.
It's a battle for first right there. Melvin, Bill. Melvin's transponder's just not counting, but we know Bill's not around. Bill right on him. Oh, Bill being patient. Bill's being patient.
2 minutes and 29 seconds left to go. Heat number 3 up next. Less than 3 minutes. Heat number 3. Go up in 3 minutes.
Oh, where'd Melvin's truck go? Melvin broke? Wait, gotta wait for it to come back on. Fix your speed controller. Shit turns off all the time. Oh. Alright, Randall's back, but he's no longer... Yeah, Melvin's back. Interesting line, Joe. I saw it. You drove over the rocks. Alright, this is an approximation of the standings. Melvin's not counting.
Melvin probably in number 5 right now.
Sean's. So Bill's first, Todd second, Randall third, Sean fourth, Dennis fifth. I have no idea whose truck's whose, so I'm not even going to try and follow battles on the track. I think Randall might be a battle here. Bump up from the B main. Bob right there in the creamsicle truck. Gotta say, it was an excellent B main, well driven. Not a lot of trucks, but Bob raced clean. Good little battle for the first part of the race. Worth watching. Uh-oh. I think that's a battle for position, even if the transponder's not showing it. Todd rocking that short course, aka Stadium. The SCT Stadium course truck. Todd, also a clean driver out here. I wish we had video of the first few minutes, I gotta say. Nobody took anybody out for the first few laps.
5 seconds.
It's gotten a little racy since then. Oh, gets him. Todd, power slide. Drifting it.
Alright, Bill, you done. Randall, you done. Dennis, you done. Bob, you done. Dennis, done. Bob, done. Bob, you done. Elvis, you done. All right, thank you. Thank you. Good race.
Good race, everybody.